there, and thanks for coming by the Whimsikettle Studios. My name is Linda Arnold. I'm a mostly self-taught potter who has a mild hot tea addiction. I am on a quest as a potter to either find or make the perfect teapot and then fill it with the perfect tea for the occasion. Joining me on my quest, at least the tea part of it, is my middle son Christian. Hello Christian, how are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm just peachy, thanks for asking. Tell us about this tea that you've selected today.
It sounded cool, so I picked it out.
Okay, so Christian has picked out a tea from Harney Sons called Moroccan Mint. This is a green tea that has mint. Could you imagine? Brewing instructions. Let's see, it says use a teaspoon for each cup of tea desired. Steep for 3 minutes. Alright. So we have opened. Good, it smells lovely.
It smells nice.
These tea leaves have been kind of withered and rolled. Not like a pearl or anything, but they look very interesting. I'll insert a thumbnail here so that you can see. Alright, so a teaspoon. Was it a teaspoon? 1 teaspoon for each cup of tea desired. So we'll just put 3 in. Alright. We will let's see, these are 8-ounce cups. So we'll go to 16. And now I'm thinking I really need to put another in. Alright, well we're going to try like this first and see how it works. Alright. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, stop timer. Okay, so our 3-minute timer.
Something's wrong. Please try again.
So our 3-minute timer has elapsed. If you can see, these leaves have plumped up tremendously. They look quite amazing. It does say on the box that you can re-steep these at least 1 more, if not twice more. We will not do a second steeping since it says it very clearly. Alright, this has an interesting honey-colored look to it.
Smells interesting.
It almost smells like cigarettes now.
Yeah, a little.
That's interesting. It's gone from having a nice, pleasant, minty aroma to it to, honestly, it smells like an ashtray. It's very strange. Just because of that, I would be turned off and I wouldn't drink this, just because the smell is that of, non-pleasantness. There isn't any particulate in it.
It's alright.
Okay, that's really... Okay, what is the first thing that you taste with it?
Like the mint, but I can like taste that nasty smell.
Okay, so the first thing I taste is it's cigarettes. I taste that cigarette-y taste, and then I get the mint on the on the back side of it. Just because of how it smells and it tastes at the front, not enjoying this.
No.
And I don't know if it's my palate that's messed up. Considering that you taste the same thing I do, it's just interesting. I'm not enjoying this at all. And I can't get past that cigarette, that ashy taste.
Yeah, I can't either.
That I really have no desire to even try to add honey to it to make it more palatable, because that smell and that taste is just enough to turn me off. So
I would give it a thumbs down. Oh wait, no, that's a thumbs up. Thumbs down. I don't like it.
I'm also going to give it a thumbs down, which I'm very surprised, because I usually enjoy the Harney Sons teas without any issues. Looks amazing, plumps up well.
Just the taste and the smell's off.
The smell at the beginning, when it's before you start to brew it, smells amazing. Afterwards, at least to us, it smells like an ashtray, and kind of tastes like one too.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's disappointing. Thanks for coming by and having a cup of tea with us. We really appreciate it. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and we'll see you later. Bye.